In this video, we're going to talk about a project that has been turning heads and capturing the attention of investors for a while. Polygon, also known as Matic. With its numerous strengths and strategic partnerships, Polygon has positioned itself as one of the most promising blockchain platforms out there. What exactly makes it special? How will its price change over time? Keep watching to find out. Polygon is a layer 2 scaling solution that runs alongside the Ethereum blockchain, which was launched in October 2017. It allows for speedy transactions and low fees. This crypto project has a lot to offer to investors. Here are just a few main reasons why many industry professionals find it promising. First, growth potential. Polygon is one of the leading scalable blockchain platforms, offering solutions to the scalability and high fees issues faced by many blockchains, including Ethereum. The successful implementation of its technology and expansion of the ecosystem can lead to an increase in demand for the Matic token and an increase in its price. Secondly, it has scored partnerships with many large companies including Meta, Disney, Starbucks, Reddit, Adobe, Adidas, and many more. This testifies to the trust that leading players in various industries show in the project. These partnerships create the potential for Polygon to be integrated into a wide range of applications and used in real businesses, which could drive up the price of Matic. Another important reason is DeFi development. Polygon is a popular platform for the development of decentralized financial applications. DeFi is a rapidly growing area in the cryptocurrency industry, and Polygon offers the infrastructure and tools to develop and scale such applications. For example, Polygon SDK, which is a set of tools and libraries, allows developers to create and deploy their own sidechains and platforms based on the Polygon blockchain. And Polygon Bridge gives the ability to transfer assets between blockchains. With Polygon Bridge, developers can easily move tokens and data between different blockchains, including Ethereum and Polygon sidechains. Participation in the development of DeFi at Polygon can present significant growth and profit opportunities for investors. Finally, the project boasts an active community. Polygon has a large and active community, including developers, investors, and users. The community is involved in the development of the project, organization of events, and information exchange. A strong community contributes to the growth and spread of Polygon technology and also increases the attractiveness of the project to potential investors. Let's talk in more detail about Polygon's partners from various industries. In 2022, Meta, the company behind Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp, started working on an end-to-end toolkit allowing Instagram creators to design and launch NFTs together with Polygon. The social platform has an interest in developing blockchain-based decentralized applications. Ryan Wyatt, the CEO of Polygon, announced that Meta chose Polygon due to their carbon-neutral footprint, scalability, as well as ecosystem. Apart from Polygon, Meta is also working with crypto companies Solana and Arweave. In the same year, Polygon was accepted into the highly prestigious accelerator program by Disney. Together, the companies started exploring a full range of NFT, AR, VR, and AI spheres. The entertainment giant's NFT initiatives already include several digital art collections, so creating a marketplace looks like a logical continuation. Partnership with one of the world's leading entertainment and media companies demonstrate Polygon's recognition as a trusted platform for content and entertainment development and innovation. The famous coffee shop chain Starbucks is getting ready to launch its NFT-driven rewards program called Odyssey, created together with Polygon in 2023. The beta version of the product exists since December 2022. Users will be able to earn rewards points for buying food and drinks at stores, but also for participating in activities via the Odyssey mobile app, such as quizzes and other digital experiences. The tokenized stamps will reflect Starbucks' history, and users will get an opportunity to collect and eventually trade those. One more high-profile partner of Polygon is Adobe. This creativity and design software company can potentially lead to the integration of Polygon into Adobe's creative tools and applications, opening up new opportunities for blockchain-based content creation and distribution. Also, it started using the blockchain network to scale NFT functionality in its Behance social platform in 2022. This integration will allow Behance users, artists, creators, and developers to mint and display their NFT while avoiding higher fees on Ethereum. It's also important to Adobe that Polygon consumes little energy and thus is environmentally friendly. The companies plan on scaling the collaboration in the future. Partnerships with such large and diverse companies and organizations prove Polygon's attractiveness and potential as a platform for development and innovation. They create a favorable basis for the growth and adoption of the Matic token and may attract additional investment in the project. Polygon or Matic price prediction can be based on several factors, including technological progress, ecosystem development, demand for the platform, and its competitiveness in the decentralized applications and smart contracts market. By 2025, Polygon will likely continue its growth and development as a leading platform for dApps and smart contracts. One of the key factors driving Matic's price increase could be the use of Polygon in various industries such as finance, logistics, gaming, and others. As a result, the price of Matic by 2025 may reach a level in the range of $1.5 to $2. By 2030, blockchain and cryptocurrencies are expected to have wider adoption throughout the global economy. If Polygon successfully develops and maintains its position as one of the leading platforms, the demand for Matic will increase as well. Technology improvements, network scaling, and the development of new tools and features can attract more developers and enterprises to the Polygon platform. If the adoption and expansion of the Polygon ecosystem continues, the price of Matic by 2030 could reach a level in the range of $3 to $4. By 2035, if cryptocurrencies become an integral part of the global economy, Polygon might play a significant role in this process. An increase in adoption in financial services, commerce, and other sectors could create significant demand for the Polygon token. As a result, the price of Matic by 2035 may reach a level in the range of $5 to $8 or even exceed this level. Now we'll look at Matic's price from the point of view of technical analysis. At the moment, Matic ranks 12th in the CoinMarketCap rating with a capitalization of $6,205,911,781. Let's consider the daily time frame of the Matic cryptocurrency price chart. We first noticed that despite the ongoing bearish trend, the coin has already managed to recover 49% of the fall from its all-time high. At the moment, Matic is in the spotlight due to negative news from the SEC and its recognition as a security. The current price mark of the coin is 0.6674. Since the beginning of June, under the influence of this news, the coin started to decline from the level of 0.888, at which a significant volume level of point of control was also formed. The decrease was more than 42.5%. On June 10th, the maximum sales volumes were noted. However, after the decline, there was no significant buyout of the asset, which indicates the uncertainty and caution of investors. Even when reaching low price levels and the Fibonacci level of 0.882, the asset continues to maintain a downward trend despite the growth of BTC. The next possible target for the Matic asset could be the 0.3086 mark, which has become an active bottom in the current bearish trend. This price point can be seen as a potential reversal point, especially given the positive news. That's all for now. Please remember that we don't provide any investment advice. You should always do your own thorough research before making any purchases. What do you think about Polygon's future? Share in the comment section, and thank you for watching. If you found our video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe, and this information will reach more curious crypto investors. See you soon.